Hey, welcome back, guys. So today we are talking about the Cash App, and more specifically, we will talk about what the buy and sell, actually, what are the limits that Cash App sets up for Bitcoin. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, I'm going to open up the Cash App. If you don't have this app already, it's the green one right here, actually green and white. And be sure to check the description. I'll be sure to put my referral link there if you don't have the app already, or you can simply just go to Google Play or the App Store. All right, so now I have the app open. This is Cash App's home screen. And again, what we're talking about is Bitcoin. If you're not familiar with what Bitcoin is, basically it is an online cryptocurrency used to store money or to transfer money through the web. So I don't know exactly what it is in a technical term, but I know that it is popular right now. And a popular way to buy and sell Bitcoin is through your Cash App. So because it's so popular, Cash App has put some limits onto the amount that you can trade Bitcoin with their app. So let's go ahead and figure out what those limits are. First off, what you want to do is go to the Bitcoin portion of Cash App, and how you get there is going by the settings tab right here in the top left. Mine is this little circle tab. Yours might be a picture. All right, so here we are in the settings tab of Cash App, and to get to Bitcoin, you just scroll down a little further right here where it says Bitcoin. So we'll go ahead and click there. As you can see, I have a small amount of Bitcoin, actually a fraction of 1 Bitcoin, which works out to $4.94 worth of Bitcoin, but we're not going to pay attention to that. The most important part of this tutorial is you want to scroll right down to the bottom. And here you can see Cash App's limits for Bitcoin. So policies update all the time. So if you ever want to verify what Cash App's limits are, that is how you get to the Bitcoin limits on Cash App. However, as of today, so we're in the middle of 2019, Cash App limits for Bitcoin are as follows. So you can purchase Bitcoin up to 10,000 US dollars per week with the app. If you want to sell Bitcoin with Cash App, it looks like there is an unlimited limit. So there's no limit to the amount of Bitcoin that you can sell through your Cash App on this app. Now, if you want to withdraw your Bitcoin to another wallet, it looks like they have implemented a $2,000 worth of Bitcoin per day and $5,000 per week. So withdraw would be $2,000 per day, $5,000 per week. So those limits may seem pretty high, especially when you have a small balance like I do, $4.94. However, as of today, Bitcoin is trading at about $8,000 for 1 Bitcoin. So if you are fortunate enough to own multiple Bitcoins, complete whole Bitcoins, you can see that you can burn through these limits pretty quickly. For example, withdraw $2,000 worth of Bitcoin per day. That means that if you have one single Bitcoin in your Cash App of about $8,000, then it's going to take you 4 days to withdraw that to another wallet. So that's not really that convenient, but again, it's probably for some particular reason, especially since Cash App is a pretty large company and they trade a lot of Bitcoin every day. It's one of the bigger trading platforms for Bitcoin, so I'm sure there's a purpose behind it. Same thing for buying. Again, if you are fortunate enough to be able to purchase multiple Bitcoins, as of today, if you bought just one, that's going to consume 80% of your Bitcoin purchase limit for a whole week. So again, if you're thinking about buying hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of Bitcoin, maybe Cash App is not going to be the best app to do that for you, but it is just another option. So just to recap, let's go back to the home screen. All right, again, here's the home screen. Real simple. Just to get to the Cash App portion, click on the settings, scroll down to Bitcoin, click on Bitcoin, and then scroll down to the Bitcoin limits on Cash App. And that's how you can check that if you're looking at this video at a future date. So hopefully you found the video useful. If so, click thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.